Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Remax to invest in real estate, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the Remax platform to understand its features and services. Create an account on the Remax website to access listings and resources. Explore the available properties based on your budget and investment goals. Utilize the search filters to narrow down your options by location, price range, and property type. Once you find a property of interest, review its details carefully, including photos, descriptions, and neighborhood information. Consider scheduling a visit to the property for a first-hand experience. Engage with a Remax real estate agent who specializes in investment properties to gain expert insight. Discuss your investment strategy with the agent to align your goals with appropriate listings. Request a comparative market analysis to evaluate the property's value and potential return on investment. Before making an offer, conduct thorough due diligence, including market trends and potential rental income. Once satisfied, submit an offer through your agent, ensuring all terms are outlined clearly. Negotiate the terms of the sale as necessary, keeping your investment strategy in mind. After your offer is accepted, organize a home inspection to identify any potential issues. Review the inspection report and determine if any repairs or negotiations are needed. Finalize the financing arrangements by working with lenders knowledgeable in real estate investment. Prepare all necessary documents for closing, including contracts and agreements. Attend the closing meeting to finalize the purchase and officially become a property owner. After acquiring the property, consider strategies for property management or rental listings. Monitor the market trends regularly to assess when to buy, hold, or sell your investments. Keep in contact with your Remax agent for ongoing support and advice on future investment opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.